Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to create a campaign in ActiveCampaign. Guide users to the Campaigns section. Explain that choosing the right campaign type, like standard or automated, is crucial for your marketing goals. Finally, emphasize the importance of selecting the correct contact list to ensure your message reaches the intended audience effectively. Now, let's dive into designing your email. ActiveCampaign offers many templates, or you can begin with a blank canvas. The intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes adding elements like text, images, and call to action buttons straightforward. Remember to personalize your content using contact fields to make each email feel unique and directly relevant to the recipient. With your email designed, it's time to configure the campaign settings. Give your campaign a clear name, craft a compelling subject line, and add a concise preheader text to entice opens. Ensure your sender information is accurate. You can choose to send your campaign immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time, optimizing for maximum engagement. Before hitting send, a thorough review is essential. Double-check your email content for any errors, verify the recipient list, and confirm all settings are accurate. Sending a test email to yourself or a colleague is a crucial step to catch any last-minute issues. Once you are confident, launch your campaign to connect with your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.